Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And in today's video, we're going to put up a magnetic screen door.
So let's get into it. Have you ever wanted to just go outside, but the bugs are out, and one gets in the house because you didn't close the door fast enough?
We found an easy solution to this problem, and we want to share it with you.
This is how we installed our magnetic screen door to keep bugs from flying into the house.
This one came with the screen, Velcro, and extra tacks. The first thing you want to do is check that the screen matches your door before you get into this project.
Guys, we didn't know how dirty our door frame was until we had to clean it. Cleaning the surface is important for the adhesive to stick.
I was glad to clean the door because we just finished a deck refresh and we were using our outdoor space a lot more. We've been grilling and hosting and realized how much we go in and out of this door. Ours is a patio door that opens in the middle. There are many types of magnetic screen doors, so make sure you find the right one for you.
We'll leave links in the description so you can check out those DIY projects.
While the door frame is drying, it's time to prepare the screen.
We laid the screen on a flat surface and added the Velcro. Laying the screen on a flat surface makes it easier to attach. The goal is to pull the screen as tight as you can so the Velcro won't bunch up on you when you put it on. We found that it was easier to hold it and push down on it in sections.
We love home updates like these because they're so easy, they're renter friendly, and the only tools you'll need is a pair of scissors.
We really like the concept of a magnetic screen door. It's worked well for us, and we've used it on our garage door. We like how they easily keep the flying bugs out of our home. One thing we did that could help you, line the Velcro up with the stitching that's on your screen. This will help you not to run out of Velcro at the end.
And it makes it a little bit easier to handle when it's time to put up. You know we like home updates on a budget, and these magnetic screen doors are definitely an affordable option that costs less than installing a whole storm door or a sliding screen door.
Now that we've attached the Velcro to the top and the sides of the screen, it's time to attach the screen to the door frame.
This is a step where an extra pair of hands can help.
If you're working by yourself, you may need a step stool to keep the Velcro straight across the top. Even though this screen matched our door measurements, we still had a little extra material, so we bunched it up in the middle, still making sure there were no gaps so that bugs won't get in. We pulled the screen up and tight on the sides. It's okay if a little material is bunched up at the top. Even while holding the screen up to the frame, we can feel how strong the magnets are. So everything was good on my end.
While we were holding it up, I saw some dirt in the corner and I just had to clean that spot again. I knew the adhesive wouldn't stick unless that surface is clean. And we're gonna start the install from this corner.
This is so easy, it reminds me of peel and stick. Another great thing is that it's renter friendly, so you can have this in your home or your apartment. If you don't want to use the Velcro, you can use the tacks that come with it. We found that the Velcro backing was easy to pull off the adhesive.
We started off by peeling a little bit off the top and side so we could anchor it in that right corner.
We wanted the corners to be nice and tight so that the screen stays up longer.
It was easy to just peel a little bit at a time and press into place. When we got to the middle, we stopped and started from the other side so then we could stick the extra material together. Once the top was secured, we did the same thing on the sides using the method of pulling a little bit of tape and then smoothing it in. We made sure we attached the screen all the way to the bottom.
We're just checking to make sure that it looks great around the borders of the frame. Look, you can't even tell that we had extra material at the top. It's sealed in so no bugs will come in from the side. The top looks nice and secure, and it's okay to have a little bit hanging at the bottom. You can see for yourself how fast the magnets open and close. This is how the screen looks when you open the door on your way out.
When I'm walking out, the magnetic screen closes right behind me. Guys, I am so happy with this update.
We're really happy that no more flies and mosquitoes can come into the house. If you want to see more DIY projects,
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
and remember, you can DIY too.